Hey, any idea when we're getting the new Panther?
I'd like to know that too. The extinguishing performance on the new model is supposed to be even better.
We're not letting you get behind the wheel, though, that's for sure.
What? Why not?
I still remember you crashing our Panther like it was yesterday.
We can stick a student driver sticker on the back.
Ha, as if that would help.
Don't look so down, Chris. It was just a joke.
Yeah, it's all right to do that with me.
I'll get you a coffee for that, Chris.
I'm not going to say no to that.
Looks like that coffee will have to wait.
Attention, operation for the entire fire company. All vehicles to the passenger terminal. Fire alarm in the retail and restaurant area. Lives are in danger.
Then let's get going.
Let's go. John, you're driving.
Emergency personnel of Engine 2 and Rescue 4. Report to me at Battalion 1 immediately for a mission briefing.
Roger, Mike. On our way.
There's smoke forming somewhere in the building. Nobody's been able to find the cause yet. John, you're going in with Alex and Chris. Grab your equipment and make sure you find the cause as quickly as possible.
All right, Mike.
Copy. Come on, John. Chris, John, are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Then follow me. So, everyone ready? Then follow me. Mike, this is Alex. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. What's the situation?
There's smoke coming from the ventilation system here, but the cause is still not clear.
Understood. Then get searching, ASAP.
We're on it. Okay, I say we split up. Chris, you go left to the shops. John, you take a look around upstairs in the main hallway. Pay special attention to trash cans and ashtrays. I'll go check the shops on the right.
Then let's go.
Okay.
I didn't find anything. How are things looking for you guys?
I couldn't see anything that could be the cause for the smoke either.
There's nothing to report here so far.
Then we'll carry on looking near catering. The smoke must be coming from somewhere.
Can you see that? The smoke's definitely getting thicker, so we must be on the right path.
Yeah, I see it. Keep going. The smoke is thinning out again back there, so it has to be somewhere right around here. Chris, you take the left-hand side, I'll check out the right, and John, you carry on checking the main hallway.
Okay. Alex, Chris, do you copy? Something seems to have caught fire here in the trash can. I'll deal with it.
All right, John, where exactly are you?
In the side corridor, behind the burger joint.
Stay where you are. We're coming over. Chris, did you get that?
Yes, understood. I'll be right there.
How's it looking, John?
Fire is out.
Good job. Mike, can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. What's the situation?
John's found the source of the fire and it's already been extinguished.
Good job, guys. Then please turn off your sirens and return to base.
Copy, Mike. On our way. What's up, John? We're waiting for you. John, you found the cause of the fire. As a reward, you get to turn the alarm off.
My pleasure.
Great, that'd be it then. Mike, do you copy?
Yeah, I hear you.
Signing off the mission. Alarm system has been reset. We're heading back.
Okay, understood. See you at the station.
Then let's go home.